Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the transformative power of a plant-based diet and how it can help you lose 20 pounds and feel incredible. Are you ready to embark on a journey to a healthier you? Welcome to the video where we explore how a plant-based diet can be a game changer for weight loss and overall wellness. If you've been struggling with weight loss and traditional diets haven't worked, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Many people find it difficult to lose weight with conventional diets that often leave them feeling deprived and hungry. The challenge lies in finding a sustainable and enjoyable way to shed those extra pounds without sacrificing your health or happiness. So, what exactly is a plant-based diet? It focuses on consuming foods that come from plants, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. This diet is packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that support weight loss and overall health. One of the main benefits of a plant-based diet is its high fiber content. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to control your portions and avoid overeating. Plant-based foods are also lower in calorie density, meaning you can eat more food for fewer calories, which is perfect for weight loss. Additionally, these foods can boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Here are some practical tips to help you get started on your plant-based weight loss journey. Portion control: be mindful of your portion sizes and try not to overindulge, even with healthy foods. Mindful eating: pay attention to your hunger cues and savor each bite. This helps prevent overeating and ensures you enjoy your meals. Choose whole foods: opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. These are nutrient-dense and will keep you feeling satisfied for longer. Meal planning: plan your meals and snacks in advance to ensure you have healthy options available and avoid reaching for unhealthy choices. Stay hydrated: drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your metabolism. Imagine stepping on the scale after a few weeks of following a plant-based diet and seeing the numbers drop. Picture yourself with increased energy, improved digestion, and feeling more vibrant and healthy. This can be your reality with the right approach and commitment. To sum it up, a plant-based diet can be a powerful tool for weight loss and overall wellness. By focusing on nutrient-dense plant foods, you can increase your fiber intake, lower your calorie density, and boost your metabolism, all of which contribute to shedding those unwanted pounds. I encourage you to give plant-based meals a try and see how they can help you on your weight loss journey. Check out the description below for exclusive resources and tips to kickstart your plant-based diet. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, plant-based lifestyle. Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to a healthier, happier life. Together, we can achieve our weight loss goals and transform our bodies with the power of plants. Thank you for watching. Remember, the path to a healthier you starts with the choices you make today. You've got this. See you in the next video.